The Bible says, do not despise the day of little beginnings. But what happens when those days become a decade? Last week, I realized that I have been on YouTube for about a decade. And while I have not consistently put out content throughout these 10 years, I have shared content for a considerable part of that time. And guess what? I have 169 subscribers. Yes, I truly believe and agree that it's not all about the numbers and more about the impact. But I also believe in growth. So I have decided to find out what the principles of growth are in life so I can turn this dream into a reality. Sometimes when things don't go as planned, people fall into the trap of just complaining about it or even quitting rather than looking inwards and finding out what the problem could be. On my search, here are some of the things that I found. Number 1, overcome fear. A lot of times we are constantly thinking, what will people think about this? What will their reaction be? What if no one likes it? What if no one supports me? But think about it. What if they do? What if you're just a day, an hour, a minute from that big break? Number 2, seek knowledge. I realized that if you would do anything well, you must seek to do it excellently and to deliver value. And so, maybe the reason why you don't have the results yet is because you don't know the things that you're supposed to do, or you haven't applied the things you need to apply so that you can get the results that you seek. So maybe there is a knowledge gap there, and you will have to search for knowledge. Even the Bible says, study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that needed not to be ashamed. And the third thing that I have found is the importance of diligence, showing up, consistency, whatever you would like to call it. It is important to be diligent. The Bible tells us, "See to a man that is diligent in his work, he will stand before kings and not before mean men." What other principles do you know that will help someone seeking growth to find that growth? Share with me in the comment section below. And I hope that in any area of your life that you're seeking to be better, that you actually experience that growth. My name is Rhoda Enietan, and I'll see you next time.